Hello friends, in this video we will learn about links in HTML. Links means hyperlinks. There are three types: normal links, color links and link bookmarks. We will discuss in this video from last one to first one. First comes to bookmarks. See, here is the way of bookmarks like this, using a tag with hypertext reference equal to #A1. This is a bookmark. So what is the use of bookmark is when there are content is more than much more larger than the normal one, like more than the web page, then these bookmarks are used to go to some place which is much more longer to go that place. These are easy to go that place with the bookmarks. See, this much of content is there, but we want to go to absolute URL. Go to absolute URL. So see this is the content. Then we need to go to this place. See this. I am using ID equal to A1. This is the bookmark ID. A1 is the details of ID. These IDs are unique. See, to reach this place after with the single link, this is the bookmarks are used to reach that place. When you click on this link, that is converted. And know about this link. Normally on the web there is arrow symbol is there. When you pointing this URL, then that hand symbol converts to that arrow symbol converts to hand symbol. These bookmarks are very useful in books. Like there are multiple chapters are there. When you click on some chapter, you go to that chapter. This is the best way to use in books. See, second one is color links. Color links is which color you want to look that hyperlink, that color you can make with this link with using the stylesheet.css. See this. Initially that is normal link in the color. Which color you want to appear that link on the web, this says. Then you visited that color converts to which color you want. When you pointing that link, this hover means you are pointing that link. Then which color you want to see on. When you click on this, that color converts to which color. This is the active. When you click on clicking time, that converts to active color. This is the color links. Then the first one is links. In these links, there are two types of. In the links we are using normally URLs, but URLs are two types. One is relative URL, another one is absolute URL. See, what is the relative URL means? The files which we want to access, those are hidden in this page, this folder, or in this any folder is there. Like images is one of the folder in this folder. In that flowers image is there. To access that, this reference is used. So this is the relative URL which is stored in local storage on our computer. Then second one is absolute URLs. Those are taken from web like this. Those having the address with https://www dot. Like this type of URLs are absolute URLs. These are the two types of links. Then see how our code appears on the web page. This is our code. Bookmarks, there is a large content is there. I want to go to this place. I am at this place, but this is, I want to go this place. See this. See, click on, see one more thing, colors, how the colors is changing. First, the link color is green. Why this green is? See this. The link color is green. When you pointing, when you arrow symbol moves to that link, that converts to hand, and that color converts to pink. See this. This is the pink color. When you click on that, this here is the absolute URL. We reached the absolute URL. Okay. Then see this. Then see how the relative URL access the image. See this. This image accessed with the relative URL. Then check with absolute URL. See this one. This is the one of the world's largest web development site is w3schools.com. This is the best place to learn the web development courses. So this is the, we discussed about the hyperlinks, links in HTML. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.